recently picked up some new jewelry. I love these pieces that I got and I just want to share them with you guys. And this portion of the vlog is sponsored by Ana Luisa. They are known for their sustainable jewelry, and I have really sensitive skin, so I have to be really careful on how I select my jewelry. Now, the few pieces I'm going to show you I've been wearing for a couple months now. Nothing has tarnished, water resistance. I have a ton of allergies, and like I said, I'm just really sensitive and I haven't had any issues. They're actually hypoallergenic, and I prefer gold to silver. I haven't worn silver jewelry in so long, like I don't even remember. It's very foreign. Mother's Day is coming up. I highly recommend you go over to analuisa.com and check out their jewelry. So many beautiful pieces, necklaces, bracelets, earrings, rings, a ton of options. They have everything from like really simple and classy to some really aesthetic pieces. This would definitely make a great gift for moms, or maybe even just treat yourself. Promise you, take a look through their pieces and you're gonna be in love. So beautiful. They have really pretty moon roses, snakes, to just like simple.
Did you really think one night could let me down? Girl, you know you're the one I want, it's true. If you only knew what I'm prepared to do. But I hesitate and I don't wanna leave this way. Leave this, I don't wanna wait till then. 'Cause baby girl, you're everything I can't replace. It's just you and I, it's you and I, just 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 you Did you really think your love could let me down? All this time you're the one I want, it's true. Only heaven knows how long I'll wait for you.
nightmare. Can we agree it's a fucking piece of shit dating here?
On Saturdays I'm lonely, but it's my fault. You say you wanna hold me, but I'm scared to get close. I'm just a beautiful ghost. I love you, you know this. I thought you had noticed I'd never make the move. Leave it all up to you, 'cause I'm good at mistakes. I don't wanna take the blame, leave it all up to you. Don't wanna get over you. And if one day I come through, all of my dreams will come true. Don't know how I hide it so good.
thank you so much for watching this vlog. Don't forget to check out analuisa.com, and I'll leave the info down below in the description box, and I'll see you guys in the next video.